Yeah, I got some seeds. If they come close, I can take some more photos for a minute. Yeah, I've been doing there. If they come more closer, yeah, get some good shots from them. But it's these greedy Canadian geese. I feel a little ones for a minute. Yeah, try and get some shots. Yeah, that's a wanted. Hehehe. I'll put some more out for them. Hey duckies. What about? There you go. There you go. Oh, come on. I'll try put some more on you. I've got some good shots. Come on, look. Put him in the bottom. Oh, at least I won't lose some place up there. Hey guys. No. Right, I ain't got a bit left now. Look, there you go. That's it now. Oh god. I think I've got some good shots. That's it now guys, till later when I come back. Yeah? Finished. I'm gonna feed. I'll come back and feed you guys again. Yes? Good.